Abyss Gray all-wheel drive with an EcoBoost. We had the Q-lift installed and then installed some BF Goodrich 245 75/16 tires on the stock black wheels, which I think looks super good. Up top, we got a Rigid Industries light. It's a floodlight. Works as a porch light. We put that on a dimmable blue C switch, so you can have it super bright or super dim, which is nice for camping. Up top, we did kind of the standard. What we do is a flatline low pro roof rack. This is their version 2. Fits the top of the roof super nice. And then we've got our Zamp Solar 95 watt legacy panels. 2 of those for 190 watts. And then 2 Max Fan 7500K fans as well. This is a revolver layout. So it's got our standard bench seat in there, jackknife seat with 3 lap seat belts. It's all mounted on L-track, so it's completely removable if you want the downstairs as a garage. And then up top, we've got our 3-piece panel system for an upper bed. That's a 6 foot by 6 foot upper bunk, so you can remove that as well if you just want the jackknife seat down low. Bamboo for the ceiling. Our lunacy lights, we got 6 of those throughout the entire cabin. They went with Blackbird laminate on this. Looks really nice with the tan floor. It's our standard lagoon table with lagoon table mount on the B pillar. This lagoon table is pretty sweet. It pivots in and out, so you can have a nice little cocktail spot. And then we've got a mount for the lagoon table, which goes right up here on the front of the cabinet. You can see those little tabs there. Dual factory swivels from Ford for the front seats. Southco compression latches. Soft close Blum hardware. Dovetailed drawer construction. Got a full butcher block for the top. Nice Rivati sink, comes with a strainer and a cutting board. Overhead cabinets with individual bunks. Eberspacher B4 heater, plumbed directly into the fuel tank, so you have single source fueling. No need to fill up propane or anything like that. Our Red Arc Manager 30 is the brains of all the electronics. And then all the rest of our panels here. Heater exhaust port. 12-volt sockets, pump switch. This is our Indel B 3 cubic foot fridge. This is where we mounted the porch light. So dimmable. Ooh, fancy. And then going around the back, again, we've got this removable lower seat option with L-track. So if you want to use this whole area as a bunk area, you can pull this whole sofa bed system out and have a big, huge garage. Or you can pull the upper bunk out and have a full van in case you got to load something big. Customer opted for a portable Ignic propane tank. And then there's our electrical. This is the Battleborn 270 amp hour heated battery, so monster battery. And then all of our electrical, nice and tidy, all to marine grade standards. Really awesome van, looks beautiful. For window coverings, we partnered with Van Made Gear for insulated magnetic window coverings on all the windows, so you can go for a full blackout. And then a Roam Rest foam, 100% made in America, upper bunk mattress and lower cushions as well. That's about it on this rig. It's been here for about a month. The customer hasn't had a chance to actually pick it up. They'll be here tomorrow, so we figured we'd shoot a quick walk around. Give a shout if you got any questions. You can check out the website at axisvehicles.com. We do have new transits inbound here in the next week or so, so if you're looking for a transit, we have some available.